Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing here. Actually traded for this one. I said I wasn't going to trade for any more watches, but this one looked kind of interesting. I haven't had this brand on the channel before, so I figured, what the heck, let's trade for it. I really need to sharpen that knife. See, this one will work better. Really, scissors would probably be the best thing, but I don't know what I do with my scissors, so. There we go, good enough. Let's get it out of here. Looks like it's double packaged here. This watch, I think it's Binnacle, or maybe that's the name of the watch. Okay, triple packaged. Well, it's like a bonus triple unboxing here, I guess. Let's see here. All right, there we go. Close up the knife so I don't cut myself here. Okay, let's zoom back in here a little bit. Bernhardt, so Bernhardt Binnacle. I think I have heard of this watch brand before. It sounds a little familiar to me. So let's take a look at the watch here. So kind of like an Explorer type homage watch. Actually, I'll compare this to my Tissell 9015EX. Yeah, it looks nice. A little bigger, a little thicker than I was expecting. But anyway, let me get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. Sorry, the video, I think the majority of it's going to be the unpackaging there. So Miyota 9015 in here as well. The rotor shape is kind of memorable. Unique, I should say. Hands are a little thin on this, a little thinner than I would like, but that second hand is pretty cool with that anchor counterweight. So this is the anchor, I don't know, why was I thinking Binnacle? I don't know. You get some interesting noises there. So solid end links, solid links. Screw pins. Is that a dive extension? What's going on here? Oh no. Nope, just the way it's in there. All right, let's get this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. So let me know if you've heard of this brand before. I vaguely remember it, but I don't know that much about the brand. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.